Hello, welcome back to Laser and Dudes channel. We're going to work with the Atomstack A20 Pro 20-watt laser and the Atomstack R3 roller. It's fairly easy to connect. This is from the roller, and this one you just connect the X-axis stepper motor, plug it in, and you're good to go. Just turn on your machine. My settings will be 800 speed at 75 power. I'm going to do a quick frame. And we're good to go. All we got to do is press start and go. And if you're wondering why it's gray, because it's the cold galvanized compound spray. So this will make the engraving black. If I wanted to crystallize the engraving, then I would have used black paint. I'd like to thank Roland Berry at Crater Alley for sending me the machine to do reviews and test different materials and just help everybody out in the lasering community for Atomstack. You can also find us on Facebook, Atomstack A20 Pro, A30 Pro, A10 Pro. We're all on there. I'll put a link in the description below. Also, I'll have a link below for CraterAlleyShop.com, where you can purchase all your Atomstack products. So you're able to get any of the laser machines, different power levels, Atomstack roller, Atomstack M4 fiber laser, and so forth. I don't have the Atomstack extension for my roller. I have my own makeshift one, and also I'm using Jeep spacers for to keep the glass from scooting, so I don't have a double print. Also, air assist is off on this. Also, a quick note: if you have the Atomstack roller logo, the Atomstack logo facing you, you necessarily don't have to use the settings in Lightburn as far as for setting up, enabling and setting up the roller. I just plug mine in and it just goes, and it does great. Voila, it's done. So it came out pretty good. little bit of soot everywhere, but let me go wash it and see how it came out. So as you can see, it came out pretty good. I probably could have went a little bit higher on power to make it a little bit darker, but it came out pretty good. And that's with the cold galvanized paint. You can get that on Amazon, or I think Home Depot sells it as well. But yeah. And once again, thank you for watching.